You know why? Because he wants those easy metrics.
I mean, you do more C8s than me, so.
Yeah, but that's why he should do the C8, because then he's so good at them.
So does that mean that you wanted the easy metrics?
Everybody wants easy metrics.
I don't care who does what, whatever you want to do.
Thanks, man.
Look at that, he's a nice guy.
A good guy.
He's a good guy. You know what we call him? A good fella.
Where are you headed?
I'm headed this way. Well, actually, no, race ramps, that's where I'm headed.
No, I mean, like,
He's on the move, dude. Midlife crisis.
yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
I haven't bought a red Corvette yet.
Yeah. Hey, if he's happy, I'm happy for him.
Car is that gonna go under there, and it ain't even close to the tire.
Come on, you're a Ferrari tech.
If this was built in 1980, I know my Ford Tempo would be able to get up on these race ramps no problem.
I did such a good job on my rush repair. Mark needs to skip town.
Does that mean Mark emptying his garbage here?
No, it's me.
Oh. You.
My apartment's like garbage dumpsters. Totally forgot. And I saw them in my car when I was cleaning it, so I was like, oh, just throw them away here.
Videotaping an Italian, working on an Italian. I'd go for some prosciutto or some mozzarella.
Remember how clean it was yesterday?
Yeah.
Steve's.
Well, that's not terrible.
Steve's.
That's
Just
not
give it a
terrible.
couple more hours.
Rag. This. What is this?
That's broken.
Is that yours?
No.
Hey. Be honest. The camera's watching.
It was me.
I know my opinion.
What's that?
You?
Me.
You know he's guilty when somebody says you, and he says me.
Okay. I was just gonna say, I'm going into a security film meeting, and I wasn't sure if I could have access to any of them that were ready to go. If not, I'll just use them.
No, I can send you some in like the next 2 minutes. You just show the folks at home the massive fish you caught over the weekend.
There's the fish. And there's Jimmy. Jimmy's not happy, but yeah, that's the biggest fish we caught, at least on our half of the boat. So it was me, Jimmy, and Kevin, Nate from Miami. I'm on one half, and then the rest of the crew on the second half. I'm not sure what they caught, but this is the biggest fish we caught in our little threesome.
It's like a $20 one, and it's $2 million. But I don't want the $20.
I think we should warm them up first. Do the chip first, then
Don't
the
kill him,
sauce.
dude.
No, why don't we just take the chip with the sauce?
That would
I think he'll be all right.
He'd be in the hospital. We can't do that. We can't do that.
At some point, we're going to destroy his microbiome.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, he's sitting in a puddle of sweat eating a Chipotle bowl.
Oh, that's right, the surgery.
Yeah, he had surgery on his intestines or something like that. He's fine. It's pumping him full.
No, he's okay. That's why you got the surgery, to fix
What
it.
if that happened because of the Carolina Reaper?
No, it was way before.
Guys, there's something going on over that tempo.
I'm gonna like it.
Try what?
A Reuben. I hate Reubens.
You've never had a good Reuben.
I think I have, but I just want stroganoff. It's been so long. What, 3 months, right? Yeah, I don't eat clean, but not like that.
What's wrong with that? Just too much stuff.
Too much stuff going on, too much grease.
I want to see your thoughts on this Reuben.
Okay.
Ooh, that looks pretty good.
Yeah, I wish it was cut in half. I'm being picky, though. I'm making a knife in the back,
Is there
actually.
pickles on this?
I don't know.
What about barbecue
Pickles is the way.
I'll take a bite, but I want to cut this in half, too. Not bad.
Better than Arby's?
Yeah, I'll take one of these napkins. Of course, dude. Thanks. Yeah. Not my first choice.
Guess how much his thing is?
Probably like 13.
9.
It's outrageous.
$2 more.
Yeah, but I mean, is that on the menu or do you just make that?
It's a creation, dude.
So what do you have to buy to get that?
Spicy chicken sandwich.
Okay. On a waffle bun.
Waffle bun. Listen, okay? This is where the synergy happens. So I got waffle, egg, and bacon in there. So you got the breakfast sandwich right there, built in. Okay. Then you add the chicken, then the barbecue and the pickles.
Yeah, I just never imagined eating barbecue sauce and eggs. Just not something I'm really interested in.
I mean, don't knock it till you try it.
Yeah.
Do you approve?
I approve.